I've got some of our Sweet Pea Incredi-threads out. I'm sort of thinking of it as a metallic range. We don't have a metallic thread, but they have such a beautiful sheen on them that when we do something we want to look metallic, we use these. I've done this sample already and then decided I didn't like it. So now I've moved on to doing this sample here. This is actually the decorative stitch we have on our fringe flat bag.
What happened?
Well, we were filming our beautiful embroidery of our Incredi-threads, and I've done the same colour twice. I don't remember pushing start, but someone must have, I guess. So now, out comes the Stitch Buster. Now you see it. And now you don't. And the reason I'm working on it is because we've been attending trade shows, and we're going to be attending a lot more this year, and we'd like to have something so when someone comes along and has a look at our thread, we've been telling everyone what a beautiful sheen and how gorgeous it looks, but we haven't really got a great sample to show, so there will be one now.